I didn't understand. I'm like, why can some hair be so expensive and some is so cheap? And my first thought as a young hairdresser, not understanding, which is so stupid. I should have understood that hair has levels of quality, but I didn't even see that. All I had in my mind was some people are trying to rip me off. Some people are trying to charge me a lot of money for hair, and some are being really fair and giving a good fair price. The cheaper ones, because I wanted to not spend much money. And I didn't even see, there was no internet. There was no ethical sourcing. Nobody was talking about ethically sourced hair or any of that stuff. And this one lady sent something about, asked, do I want the tangle free guaranteed hair? And I thought, no such thing. How can you make, she said, 90-day tangle-free guarantee. And I said, that's not possible. She goes, yeah, guarantee, you get your money back. We'll replace the hair. And I said, and then she said it was more money. And I was like, oh, it's more money. She goes, yeah, but if it doesn't, I said, how can you guarantee this hair doesn't tangle when this extension hair always tangles everything I've ever used? And I'm being an idiot about it. I'm being rude, So I'm remembering this guy yesterday being rude with me. It's like they get frustrated because I guess so many people lie to them, take advantage of them. You just get so fed up. And so I gave it a try and I was blown away. And she said, I'm going to send you a little book also. Again, no internet. So I got this about this thick, and it was a small book, spiral bounded, plastic bound. And I started reading this book and I was blown away. I started to understand, like, oh, I should get it. I'm bleaching hair. Some of my own clients have different levels of quality in hair, whether I'm bleaching it, they're bleaching it, some other hairdresser did. That right there, I don't know why I didn't put it together. I didn't understand that most hair in the world came from people with darker hair to start with. And so to get all those other colors, some bleaching or some lightening or lifting has to happen. That's one process. And then they're almost always toning it or coloring. So all extension hair, I'd say 90-something% is double process. So starting just to understand that simple little bit right there should tell you there's a range.